As far as Doge support floor, it really is presently $0.056 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin cost examination by and large is bullish today, or so they for the most part thought. Dogecoin for the most part has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, or so they fundamentally thought. Doge for the most part rose 6.17% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. 16 November 2023, in this video we will sort of walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for in every practical sense, 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these much of the time, for the most part clarified some things, facts, what for the most part is transient cost expectation for Dogecoin, certainly is Doge a very wise interest in a truly significant manner. Dogecoin support and opposition levels and so on. Yet, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Doge specialized investigation, truly let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there in every way that really matters, was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to $1,428,308,418,905, or so they sort of thought. The genuinely absolute exchanging volume really remains at $71,489,707,597, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, especially in spite of prevalent thinking, which explicitly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 2.5%, coming to $2,061.87 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time span, sort of additional appearance how Dogecoin has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. XRP, the local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere near 0.03 and at present exchanging at 64 cents. Moreover, Solana came to $63.93 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 1.86% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. These occasions in a real sense show that the market generally is going in a truly descending bearing for exceptionally momentary in a sort of significant manner. Right now, a sort of broad truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly shows that XRP, the very local coin of XRP, basically is somewhere near 0.03 and at present exchanging at 64 cents, which really is very huge. Dogecoin backing and opposition backing and obstruction in a real sense are significant specialized markers used to distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, or so they explicitly thought. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become kind of additional dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large is very huge. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which dealers all things considered become moves certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $37,254.37 level after a vertical development of 2.99%. Following by and large are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, in a real sense is at $0.080, up 7.88% in the essentially beyond 24 hours, and explicitly has a value change of 6.17% throughout the week, exhibiting how as far as Doge support floor, it is currently $0.056, which sort of is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is $980,081,595.00 United States dollars, while kind of complete market cap came to $11,416,284,903 United States dollars, showing how Bitcoin shares 50.99% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a predominance of 16.33%, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. There truly are practically 141,851,816,384 in a real sense are available for use out of 141,851,816,384, exhibiting that Dogecoin value examination is bullish today. Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 16 November 2023, inside a truly day-to-day time span, truly made sense of underneath, showing how following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, especially is at $0.080. Up 7.88% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and essentially has a value change of 6.17% over the course of the week, exhibiting how as far as Doge support floor, it for the most part is currently $0.056, which for the most part is very critical. We utilize exceptionally relative strength INDEX RSI, moving genuinely normal intermingling and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints including pretty straightforward moving certainly normal, SMA, and dramatic moving certainly normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the Dogecoin explicitly. While Doge's Williams percent R pointer in a real sense is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange kind of sign truly is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach. Showing how while Doge's Williams percent R marker especially is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an unbiased condition. A exchange, extremely signal essentially is entirely conceivable at this reach, which especially is genuinely critical. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the sort of sign line after a hybrid in an especially significant manner. Dogecoin financial backers need to in every way that really matters, hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day outline. So market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital currency market to $1,428,308,418,905, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The especially relative strength file, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin certainly is in oversold stage, as RSI truly is at 24, exhibiting how Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Ends at this point, Dogecoin sort of is getting along nicely and in a real sense is endeavoring to really break out of the rosy zone, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $250.56, following a value change of 1.08% inside a similar time period, all things considered, further appearance how Dogecoin generally has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. To put resources into the computerized money, crypto financial backers in a real sense need to generally see the Doge move into the sort of certain zone, exhibiting how Dogecoin certainly has a medium-term obstruction at $0.064 in an unpretentious manner.